This is going to be loud. So, anyways, this here. Hi, buddy. Since my last update for babies being born, Rachel had her baby. He's right there. And then today, while my husband and I were in town, whoop, hi Miriam, we had another addition. I'll go show them to you. Now, I'm going to turn the light on. And, hello, Mama. Ruth had her baby while my husband and I did an errand going to town. Didn't ya? And she had a mini-me. Hi, baby girl. Yeah. Such a good mommy. Yes, you are. You're such a good mommy, Ruth. Good. We're just waiting on Sweet Pea. Hi, Sweet Pea and Coco to have their babies. But like I said before, I'm not expecting anything from Coco anytime soon. And I just checked Sweet Pea. She could be by Sunday. So, here we go. This is what happens when I come out to the barn. I can't get back out. There's Midge. Sweet Pea, you can't go in yet. It's not time. Let me out. Yes. Let me out. Hi, Rebecca. Abraham, you closed your gate, you dingbat. That was stupid. I better go rescue the boys. Out of the way, Abe. Out of the way. Babies, you're not supposed to be in here. Are you saying hi, Abe? Okay. I am trying to close this one-handed. And it worked. Come on, babies, get out of there. Yeah, you're not supposed to be in there. Macy, come on. Owen, let them out. Come on, little ones. Come on, little ones. Come on. Okay, you're like 3 days old. You're not supposed to be eating grain already. Come on. You stay out, Cloud. Macy, you're loud. Bethany, come on. come off of there. Come out of there. Come on. Okay, I gotta go back to work. Yes, I do. There's Cookie. And one of our newest little boys. And there's Misty. Hi, Cookie. Hi, baby. Hello, Laura. Hi, sweetheart. Babies sure are getting big. Laura. And there's Annie and Titan. Hi, my Twilight. There goes Trixie. Oops. Hi, sweetheart. I didn't put you a name because you're a boy. No. And that's a boy there. And so is this one. And that's Reuben right there. Oh, come over this way, Mama. Oh, he's finding you. Good job, bud. Good job, Rachel. Good job, Mama. What's Coco? Where's my sweet pea? There's my sweet pea. How you doing, honey? Sweet pea's getting quite the bump. She's not so interested in food today. Which is interesting. That little one against the wood, that was the one that was just born the other day. That's our newest one. Hi, Shiloh. Hi, Cloud. Hi, Carrie. Hi, baby. Hi, Hallie. Hi, sweetheart. So, I'm thinking our last ewe has lambed. Sweet Pea had a little girl yesterday. I just weighed her. She weighed 8 pounds. But Mom's not very big, so that's expected. And she's a good mom. She wants to go back outside with everybody else, but we'll let her out later. Yes, Sweet Pea. So we have 18 ewes. I don't think Coco is bred, but she could prove me wrong. Everybody's complaining. I'm thinking the babies all came back. Yeah, no, I think. Did your baby come back? Do we have all the babies back yet? Nope. So we are setting up the electric fence to train the babies to stay in. Because right now they're not doing that. Right now they're all over there. Not all of them. Most of them. That would be why mums are going crazy. because babies are out here. I see you, buddy. Your mom's looking for ya. Yeah, mom's looking for you guys. Come on. Reuben. Laura, come on.